The place I want to talk about is Thule Park. I visited there with my friends about 1 year ago. I went there because I want to unwind after a busy week, and we like to watching wild animals, so we decided to go there. The zoo was very large and clean. There were many green trees, flowers and lakes, so the weather feel cold and comfortable. There were many different animals such as lions, tigers, bears, monkeys, and many different birds. birds. There were also a playground for everyone with games like Ferris wheel, racing car, and balloon skating. Besides, there were food stores, so we bought some ice cream and drank Coca-Cola while walking around. We spent a few hours to looking at the animal and uh, and taking photos together. After that, we played some games. My first game was the Ferris wheel because I could see the whole zoo from the top. It was a very nice view. The animal that impressed me the most was a lion. It was a big body and looked strong and powerful with its large mane. Its loud roar surprised many visitors, including me. I saw two lions roaring at each other. They looked very scary, but also piqued my curiosity. I spent quite a long time to watching it. Overall, I really enjoyed this trip because it was fun and relaxing. I learned more about wild animals, spent quality time with my friends, and took many beautiful photos. I will visit this zoo again in the